Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review are available in the description below. This overview reflects my personal experience using the John Hancock Retirement Planner. The John Hancock Retirement Planner is a robust tool designed to empower individuals to take charge of their retirement planning journey. Whether you're at the beginning stages of saving or nearing retirement, this platform provides customized features to match your financial objectives and retirement timeline. Known for its intuitive interface and practical insights, the John Hancock Retirement Planner democratizes financial planning, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial expertise. This tool offers a clear snapshot of your retirement readiness by analyzing your current savings, projecting your future income, and estimating your anticipated expenses. A key strength of the planner is its interactive dashboard, which allows users to simulate various scenarios, like adjusting contributions, modifying retirement age, or altering investment growth rate assumptions. This dynamic planning functionality ensures users can make well-informed decisions based on current data and projections. Furthermore, the platform incorporates calculators to estimate Social Security benefits, project potential healthcare costs, and identify any potential shortfalls in retirement funding. Seamlessly integrating with John Hancock's 401k and other retirement accounts, the planner provides a consolidated overview of your assets. It offers personalized recommendations to optimize your savings, such as increasing contributions or rebalancing your investments to better align with your risk tolerance and long-term financial aspirations. For those who prefer professional guidance, the planner facilitates connections with John Hancock's network of financial advisors, offering access to personalized advice. A distinguishing characteristic of the John Hancock Retirement Planner is its emphasis on holistic financial wellness. The platform incorporates educational resources, including videos and articles, to enhance your understanding of key retirement planning concepts. It also offers practical tools to manage debt, establish emergency savings funds, and create budgets, helping you stay on course with your overall financial goals. This planner is an excellent choice for individuals seeking a balance between self-directed planning tools and access to expert advice. Its user-friendly design, comprehensive features, and integration options cater to both novice and seasoned planners. Whether your goal is maximizing your savings or securing a consistent income stream throughout retirement, the John Hancock Retirement Planner stands as a dependable resource. Explore its features and begin planning your future today by clicking the links in the description below.